Hello students, in my last class I have given you the short question answers from the story A Shot in the Dark. Now we can discuss the rest question answers. Who is the other man traveling to Brill Manor and what are three things we learn about him? Answer is, the other man traveling to Brill Manor is Claude People. We learned that he is an important lawyer. He has traveled on the same train. He is noisy. Noisy means he talks a lot. He is not the sort of man to notice an absorbed silence. He likes and knows about cars, and he knows Mrs. Alfanjago well. Here you can choose any three things because in your question you are asked to write any three things only. So choose any three. Which part or parts of the story show us that Philip Sliderby thinks highly of himself? The part of the story that shows that Philip Sliderby thinks highly of himself is the paragraph in which Sliderby imagines impressing others with his story. Here story means the incident happened in the train. Which part of the story shows that it was written and is set in the past? The language used shows us that the story was written a while ago. References to the coin purse, sealing the letter to post, and the description of the car. These all tells us that the story was set in past. Now look at the reference to context questions first. Question number 1. Philip Sliderby settled himself down in an almost empty railway carriage with the pleasant feeling of starting off on an agreeable and profitable trip. Explain which word best describes how this character is feeling. Irritated, smug, embarrassed. How does he feel at the end of the story? How does he hope to profit from the trip? Second one, there was a ting of coldness in his voice. What does the statement mean? Who is this describing? And why does he feel as he does? Now the third question. The train moved on, leaving the so-called son of the Salfanjago family cursing furiously on the platform. Whose perspective is being expressed here? What is meant by so-called? Why is Bertie cursing furiously? Look at the answers of the reference to context questions. A question, first answer smug, second shocked, unwell or irritated, third he hopes to secure the nomination of Mrs. Alfanjago so that he can become the MP for Yorkshire. Answer of second question, first one. Cold is used as a synonym for hostility or unfriendliness. Second, Sliderby. Third one, Sliderby believes that Bertie lied to him and he is unable to disguise his feelings when he hears Bertie's description of his family crust. Now last question, first one, Philip Sliderby's. Second, Sliderby does not believe that he is Mrs. Alfanjago's son. Third one, he thought he would be able to borrow money to fund his weekend trip, but now he has been left stranded. Stranded means he left without the means to move somewhere. So dear students, I hope you all get a clear idea about the question answers and about the story. If you have any doubt, you can ask when the school reopens. Thank you.